Hey guys, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. Today what we're going to do is these urns that we took the arborvitaes out of earlier. We're going to use these again. We bought an extra one. We're going to go ahead and go with 3 urns in the front. What we're going to plant in there is this cone dwarf Japanese holly. It's got a small leaf, kind of resembles a boxwood. It's in the ilex family. The reason we went with this is it's an excellent container evergreen. And it's already shaped to the shape of a kind of like a Christmas tree. It's kind of what we're going with in our front containers. This is going to replace where we have our hydrangeas in the front. We're going to place all 3 in the front there, and then we'll decorate these, like I said, during the Christmas time with some little lights here and there and make them look nice for the holidays. But same thing with this one. We're going to get this in this container. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 1 part of pine bark mulch and then the 2 parts of the soil, so you get some good drainage as well. These are very tolerant in the heat as well. I believe these are from zone 5 and up. It says here they're not hardy in zones 1 through 4. So any of you in zones 1 through 4, I'm not sure how well these will do, but these will do well here. Like I said, it's got a small leaf. It's kind of what we like. It's a little compact. And so let's go ahead and get this planted real quick, and then we'll show you what it looks like out in the front. Alright guys, so the same thing with this one. I amended the soil at the bottom with some pine bark and the soil so it gets good drainage. I also put the coffee filter at the bottom to prevent the rust looking color, because these are going to go on our porch. We don't want it to stain the porch just like we did last year. So again, nice little trick as far as how to prevent that color from getting and staying on your porch. So the other nice thing we like about this holly here, it produces like a white yellowish flower, and it also produces berries, so it'll give a nice accent to it once those berries start showing up and the colors start showing up through winter time. But again, really not gonna do nothing special with this one. There's really not too much room to put any other flowers or anything in there, but that'll be all determined later on. See what we do. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. But again, we're gonna go with 3 of these. I think it's gonna look nice in the front porch, and then with the other containers that we have that we're gonna put out there, it'll be a nice look to it all through winter. And then come springtime, like I said, we'll keep these out there until the end of spring. We get something else going, possibly the hydrangeas. We'll go back out there, but for the meantime, like I said, this will look nice. I think it actually looks nice already. It has that Christmas tree look. We'll do some lights, like I said, during the holidays. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's a quick one. The sun's coming down. We were just very excited to get these planted. We have 2 more we're gonna do. We just want to get those out there, get ready for Christmas, you know, have something festive looking out in the front. Again, we love the shape of this. It's more of a cone shape. I think it's going to look nice with 3 out in the front. I know we didn't go in depth with this shrub right here real quick, so if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Like I said, we'll be more than glad to answer any questions you have, how they do throughout the winter, how they're going to perform. Again, we're just very excited to get this out there. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please give us a like, and we'll see you in the next video.